Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab A9 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the Settings application and then tap to Connections section. Here you'll see Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate or turn off the Wi-Fi option, you should click on the switcher. After that, you will see here all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter the password. Then just tap to connect button, wait a couple of seconds, and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, you could make it by another way. Just open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Click to this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. And to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.